We are the students of Karnataka Public School, Kadasa Taluk, Chikmagalur district.
And we are studying in the 9th standard. My name is Shreyas.
My name is Akshay.
My name is Pragati. We have prepared model for blind people.
And we have named it as an assistive device for visually impaired people. The aim of our model is to help these blind people by making a smart blind helmet.
In the whole world, many people are suffering from blindness, and it is very dangerous when blind people go to a stranger's place without any companion. For example, if a truck stopped in a road and its trailer is in the level of their chest, the blind person's stick will go beneath the trailer. The blind person thinks there is nothing in the front of them and hurry, they will move forwarded, they will be badly injured.
If a blind person, while walking on the road, any houses, school or any other building's window is opened, the blind person's stick will go beneath the window and the blind person will think that there is nothing in front of them and they will move in a hurry and the window will hit their head and they will be badly injured. But while using our smart blind helmet, if there is an object in front of them, the buzzer connected in the helmet will alert the blind person when the object is in 100 cm far and the blind person will be alert and move away from the object or can call for help.
We are using the ultrasonic sensor for this model. This sensor is also used in submarine ship to find sea deeps in many other situations. The sensors has 4 legs. The legs are VCC, trig, echo and ground. VCC and ground supply power to the sensor. The trig produces an ultrasonic wave. The wave hit to the object. The reflected wave received by echo.
The material required for this model are an ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, breadboard, Arduino UNO, programming cable, 5-volt power supply and jumper wires as required. The working of the smart blind helmet is to first making all the necessary connection and uploading the coding to the Arduino UNO and supplying 5-volt power to the circuit. Once the system is powered on and a blind person wears the helmet, if an object comes in front of the helmet, the Arduino will calculate the distance of the object. If the distance is less than the distance uploaded in the Arduino will activate the buzzer. If the object is moved, the Arduino deactivates the buzzer. By this model, those people who are suffering from visual impairness is useful. By this model, visually impaired people can navigate around easily. This model is made up of less cost, less material and made in less time. Let's do the demo.
I designed this helmet.
I have did the necessary connection for this.
I have written the programming and uploaded the coding to Arduino. Thank you all for watching.